Today, I'm going to give you an update of what's been going on in the structured writing teacher world. You will find out some things that I've been working on that are out there that you can go ahead and get access to. I'm also going to show you a little bit about the things that I'm working on right now that are a little bit of a secret, and you get a little sneak peek of what's coming up. First up, we're going to talk about my Write with Robin channel for students. It's over on YouTube and it's just for students. Right now, it has all the 6 skills up there, and teachers are using this for supplementing their workshop lessons or having independent practice with students, maybe doing a flipped classroom or maybe even using this with a substitute. So there's lots of different things you can do, and I will be adding many things in the future as I get time. So head over there to find those lessons on the 6 skills. I also have a podcast called Beyond the Paragraph. So make sure you're listening to that while you're driving or you're cleaning like me. I didn't know I'd love podcasting, but I do. It's really nice to sit and just not worry about your hair or anything and just talk and share your thoughts. So it's a cool way to share. I also have an online store that is not ready, so don't go there. So it's coming together. Lots of things will be added there. Some people have already found it, but go ahead and just wait until I give the update on it, and I'll show you what's on the online store and all that. And then I have a Facebook group. If you haven't heard of it, you'll go and look for a Structured Writers Workshop. And in there, we're talking about, of course, this type of workshop, but if you aren't doing it and you just want to come and listen to a bunch of teachers talk and share, and they put up pictures and they share their wins and they ask questions, and it's so awesome to see all the support that they're giving each other as we go through all of this. So look for that Facebook group. Now in the group, that is where I give the first round of all my updates. So if you're in there, you're going to hear all this stuff. And one of the first things that they found out about was what I have is a structured writing custom GPT. And what this is it is Chat GPT, right? But it's a custom one that has been front loaded with all the information from my program. So when you ask it a question, it knows everything about all the 6 skills and the deconstruct essays and CER and all of that. So it will create materials for you that are completely based on the program. And then with that, there are some rubrics in there for the 6 skills and for the essays that you can have. I'm not selling any of this stuff right now. It's still all, like I said, kind of like under construction. And so they're getting the first round of it so that they can give me feedback and all of that. So they're like beta testers. We also have monthly Zoom meetings, and we have one in about half an hour. So if you're in there, you can come and join us and have a conversation about what's working and get feedback. And then we do giveaways. We're going to do one tonight at the Zoom meeting, so you'll find out more about that. And then I'm going to be giving them an update on my next biggest project. Kind of have to like take a deep breath on this one. This one is I think it's my biggest project I've ever taken. And I have written 10 books. And this one is, it is the biggest. And it is not done, which is the story of my life. But here's a little hint. It has something to do with all of these different grade levels. And is it a membership? Is it a Google Drive? It's not. It's not a membership. I didn't really want to do that. I can't really keep up with stuff like that anyway. It's not a Google Drive. I'm not great at organizing my Google Drive in the first place, and not everybody has one. So I have a whole different system that's being created that I will update you all very soon. So I just want you to know that this is coming. It's in the works. And so if honestly, if you don't see your grade level on there, write below and let me know what you want, because I'm kind of trying to decide whether I'm going to pivot back to 3rd grade when I'm done with this set or move up to 9th grade. Well, no, we'll see. So it's going to be kind of crowdsourced here. Like, what do you guys want to do? What do you need next? All right. So I just wanted to give you that update. I'll put links below to everything, to the Write with Robin channel, to the podcast, and to the Facebook group if you would like to join us and have conversations over there. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Wait. One more thing. I'm just back fresh off of my Zoom call that I had with our teachers in the Facebook group. And we were going through some like just ticky tacky things of like how to do this, when to start that, and everything. But I said, let's just talk for a minute about what's working and like what's making your teacher heart happy with how your writing is going. And so many people said that what they're seeing is that the joy in writing is back. And it's the joy that's carrying them through all the components to a writing program. And it's so true. It is what you need in order to motivate students to write like the wind. And that's what I needed as an author. I needed to have that motivation and that joy, and I needed to enjoy all those moments, that whole process. Otherwise, it's too daunting. Why would I put myself up to something like that? It was because it was so joyful. I loved it. And so that's what we want to bring to our students. I just had to pop back on and say that. Now I'll see you in the next one.